Stay tuned, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam turn signals on the front and back of your Street Glide. So, before we dive into opening these things, a couple cool things I wanted to share with you guys. For starters, these are LED. They're going to be significantly brighter than your stock Harley lights and your turn signals, which is great because cars will actually see you out on the road at night. They also do have a lifetime warranty on these LED turn signals, and best part of all, regardless of the fact that they're getting brighter, they are still DOT approved. So no hassle and worry about getting in trouble with the cops or anything like that. You're out there riding safer and legally, which, what's better than that? And they're so easy to install. All you literally need is a flathead. That's it. I have no other tools. So, as you guys know, it's time to get dirty, but today I'm getting dirty by myself. Before we dive into getting these installed, I do want to show you guys what the stock Harley-Davidson Street Glide turn signals do look like. You got your right side, and you got your left side. Not too bright. And here's what the brake lights look like. Super cool thing about these lights before we dive into it, not only are they a do it at home yourself, super easy customization you can do to personalize your bike, but they also come with super easy instructions to follow so you can do it yourself at home. So let's dive right into it. First thing we're going to do is take your flathead. Be careful, don't scratch anything, but we're going to use the flathead to find this little indented groove on the plastic cover. So you're going to put this guy aside, and next you have your bulb. Super easy. You're going to turn this guy. Bulb comes right out. Now, I would suggest keeping your bulb in case you ever want to go back to your stock lights or whatever. It's a good thing to have laying around. Now we're going to dive into our lights. So prior to putting these lights in, on the other side of this mechanism that plugs in, there's going to be a little slot. That slot is for you to put your flathead in, turn it clockwise so it can lock it into your bike. This is going to be two pieces, just like the original orange piece I took off. You're going to have a little bit smoked one. You're going to want to put that guy aside for now. You're going to take your light and you're going to plug it right back into where you took your bulb out of. Now, best way to do this, because it's kind of hard to get your hand in there, you're going to want to take it and put it in with your flathead. Be very careful. You don't need to use an extreme amount of strength. Give it a tiny little tug to make sure it's in there, not too much because you can still tear wires. Now, my suggestion always is, before you put this light in, turn your wires so they're not getting nipped or tugged or stuck on anything and tearing. Just give them a little bit of a twist, get them all organized and clean and hidden in there, and then go ahead and put your turn signal in. Now you're going to grab your smoke shield and you're going to put it right over this. All you got to do is just get that guy in there, give it a little muscle but not too much muscle. We don't want to tear this whole thing off. And there you have it. Now you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. You're going to take your plastic shield off, you're going to take your bulb off, you're going to grab your flathead and you're going to get that guy in there, and then you're going to pop it right in. Now onto the back turn signals, guys. Super easy. Once again, Custom Dynamics makes these so easy for you to do at home. We're going to go through the same exact process. I want you to find this little slit at the bottom where you can fit your flathead. You don't want to just be scratching things and just poking and prodding. Make sure you find that tab. You're going to put your flathead in there and you're going to pop it right off. Here's a little pro tip for you guys. Don't try to just pop it off. Give it a little twist and it'll come right off for you. That's it, guys. With just a few simple steps, a flathead, we just got our turn signals in. Now let's turn them on and make sure they work. Guys, these turn signals look amazing. They instantly elevated the way this bike looks, and I'm so stoked for you guys to get a pair on your bike. Super easy, couple steps to customize and personalize your bike, and not just that, it's making you safer out on the road so other cars and bikers can see you, and you're riding legal, they're DOT approved. So if you're intrigued and want to get some on your bike, check out the Lifestyle Cycles online megastore. Get free shipping for purchases over $50 and 5% back in megabucks towards your future purchases. Well, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.